Did Taylor Swift's collaboration with Ice Spice just get booed at a major music festival? Stay tuned to find out how Ice Spice turned the tables on the haters at Rolling Loud Europe. Ice Spice faced a tough crowd in Vienna during her Rolling Loud Europe performance, but she had the perfect response to the booing Swifties. Let's dive into what happened. Welcome back to Celeb Explore Hub. Today, we're breaking down the drama at Rolling Loud Europe where Ice Spice handled some unexpected boos with grace. The 24-year-old rapper was in the middle of her set when she performed the remix version of Taylor Swift's song Karma, which features her. Videos from the festival show some audience members booing and giving thumbs down as Swift's song played. But Ice Spice, whose real name is Isis Nija Gaston, kept her cool and blew kisses at the disruptive crowd, a seemingly sweet yet defiant gesture. Despite the clash with Taylor Swift detractors, the rest of Ice Spice's performance went smoothly. She rocked a striking look with pinstraight tangerine hair and a sheer green lace bodysuit, paired with chunky black boots. Karma, originally a solo track from Taylor's 2022 album Midnights, became a hit single after its release last May. The remix featuring Ice Spice soared to number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100. However, their collaboration wasn't without controversy. Some fans speculated that Taylor's collaboration with Ice Spice was a strategic move to counteract the backlash she faced for dating the 1975's Matty Healy, following his controversial podcast appearance. Despite these rumors, Taylor clarified that Ice Spice initiated the collaboration. In an interview with Spotify, Taylor revealed that Ice Spice's team reached out first, expressing Ice's longtime admiration for Taylor. Swift said she was already a fan of Ice Spice and quickly agreed to collaborate on Karma. Since then, Ice Spice and Taylor Swift have formed a close friendship, with the rapper becoming a regular part of Taylor's high-profile squad. Their bond continues to grow stronger, despite any public controversy. That's a wrap for today's video. What do you think about Ice Spice's response to the boos? Should artists handle critics like she did? Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching Celeb Explore Hub.